So in this video, I will cover how you can get your first AI agency clients, what service you should offer to go from $0 per month towards $5,000 per month. I started my AI agency without even knowing that I had an AI agency when ChatGPT around was coming out. So we already implemented AI systems into companies, and we made more money because we spent less time on each client, getting still the same results, but we could take on more clients and therefore we could make more money. I actually created a breakdown video, step by step, very in depth, how we get actually AI clients, or how we have an AI automated system that gets us clients automatically booked into our calendar. You can check out the first link in the description, but let's get straight into the video. So I built this chart because actually nothing has changed in the business space. Only AI came into the world publicly, and nothing changed based on the results business are still craving for. So I will go over the results, I will go over the services you can offer, and everything businesses still care. Nothing has changed there. Only the service deliverable has changed, and how fast you can now deliver towards your clients, and therefore you can make more money and get clients faster into your calendar actually, and you can get better results for your clients actually, so you at the end make as well more money. So let's go over the services. Still video editing, thumbnail design, scripting, AI. Okay, there's some automations too. So these are still the standard ones, which are video editing, thumbnail design, and scripting, but those you can do much faster, much better, because you have access towards AI tools like ChatGPT. But when you want to get more advanced, there are AI models which are very cheap, where you can recreate thumbnails actually from pros, which are cost simply some cents. There are some bigger names out there for thumbnail designs, but there are like tools where you can copy faces and tell the AI how to change the face and so on and so forth. You can build AI automations for example, IG short comment automation. So when somebody comments on a post, I know this works already with ManyChat, but now there's the tool we're using, for example, for our clients, which is Go High Level. You can check out the link in the description. You can get a period where you can test it for 14 days, I think so, for 30 days for free, where we build actually these ones into our client's system. So when somebody comments, they automatically get the message onto their DM, and we start a conversation, and from there on with AI we set them into a calendar. Then we have, like, long form to short form editing and auto publishing. Therefore we're using tools such as Opus Clips, and here also separate again Instagram DM AI setters. So when you have been editing videos before, or only do certain parts of those, to make more money, to hit $10,000 per month for example, you need to kind of you need to have an offer stack. So I have clients, for example, where I manage their YouTube channel, and we are getting them more calendar bookings, because what their clients wants is to, let's reveal it, they want to make more money. They want to have more requests, more sales calls. This is the only things they're caring about. Just get them more requests, just get them more results, more sales calls. So therefore you just offer, or have an offer stack of those, and you will get them those requests, and you will get them more sales calls, because all of these services lean into more content, more eyeballs, more trust, more requests, more sales calls, more money, more time. And this is the only thing they care about. So nothing changed actually, just the tools have been changed, and you can get clients much more faster. Like I said, first link in the description, where I actually explain how you can get clients in 7 days with an AI system for yourself that actually books me every week sales calls with clients that pay me thousands of dollars every single month. And you can use the same for free, first link, and nothing has changed, just that you can get clients faster, and you can get your clients faster results, and you don't need to have employees anymore, or that many employees, when you want to grow even further. But that's actually the secret sauce. So when you found this video valuable, then for sure we will see each other in another video. Bye bye.